Assalamualaikum students. In last week we have learned how to factorize an algebraic expression by taking a common factor out. In this week we will start factorization of the algebraic expression of the type a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square with the help of the algebraic identities. First, we will start from the first two algebraic identities. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square. Here, this format a square plus 2ab plus b square is the expanded format of the identity, and a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square is the factorized format of the identity. With the help of these identities, we will learn how to factorize the algebraic expressions of this format a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we have to see how to factorize 9a square plus 12ab plus 4b square. Now see, all signs are positive, so we will apply the first identity, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. We are given with the expanded form and we have to write this factorized form from the expanded form. First of all, in the given expression, we have to see the perfect squares, two perfect squares. So here perfect squares are 9a square and 4b square. 9a square is a perfect square of 3a and 4b square is perfect square of 2b. Now we have to rewrite our middle term in this format of 2ab. For that, write 2 first. In the first bracket, write your first term, which is 3a. In the second bracket, write your second perfect square, 2b. Now match all the terms. Square of 3a is 9a square. 2 into 3a is 6a into 2b is 12ab, and square of 2b is 4b square. Now after that we will write this in the factorized format, which is a plus b whole square. A is your first term, b is your second term. Here your first term is 3a, your first perfect square, and your second term is your second perfect square, which is 2b. So your factorized expression is 3a plus 2b whole square. Now see another example. 2a square minus 8ab plus 8b square. Now we have to see two perfect squares. First of all, now we can see there is no perfect square. 2 is not a perfect square of any number and 8 is not a perfect square of any number. So now you can see that we can take 2 as a common factor. Now first of all, we will take 2 as a common factor from this expression. If we take 2 common, we get 2 into a square minus 4ab plus 4b square. Now the expression inside the bracket, we get two perfect squares, a square and 4b square. Now we will factorize the expression in the bracket with the help of this identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square, because we have one minus sign. So a square is a perfect square of a, and the second perfect square is 4b, which is perfect square of 2b. Now we have to rewrite our middle term in the format of 2ab. Signs will be same, minus. First of all, write 2 always. In the first bracket, write your first perfect square a. In the second bracket, write your second perfect square, which is 2b. Now again, match all the terms. Square of a is a square. 2 into a, 2a into 2b, 4ab, and square of 2b is 4b square. Now from this expanded format, write the short format a minus b whole square. A is your first perfect square and b is your second perfect square. Here your first perfect square is a and second perfect square is 2b. So we get a minus 2b whole square from this expression. So final answer after factorization is 2 into a minus 2b whole square. Now see another example in the which has fractions in the algebraic expression. We have 9 over 16 x square plus xy plus 4 over 9 y square. Again, we have to see the perfect squares. Perfect squares are 9 over 16 x square and 4 over 9 y square. So 9 over 16 x square can be written as 3 over x whole square, and 4 over 9 can be written as 2 over 3y whole square. Now we have to rewrite our middle term in the form of 2ab. So the signs will be same, plus. If we have plus, then we are supposed to write plus, otherwise minus. So write plus, then 2 in the first bracket, write your first perfect square, which is 3 by 4x. Then the second term is 2 by 3y. Now after this, match your term square of 3 over 4x is 9 over 16x square. Now we will simplify this. 3 and 3 will cancel out, and 2 with 4 will cancel out. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and that 2 will cancel out with this 2 outside the bracket, and we get xy. And square of 2 over 3y is 4 over 9y square. And from this expression we will write the factorized form, and for that take the first term 3 over 4x and the second perfect square 2 over 3y, and we get 3 over 4x plus 2 over 3y whole square. Now I have shared few links with you. You can follow those links to do exercise 6.4.